guys want back to the fun time? If you just see the first video that came out. Oh my god. Back off, bird. Birdie, back off. Dun 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 dun. And if you look at the end, you'll see my last name. My name. I ended it because you guys don't know my full name. He. Oh yeah, look at that owl. I know you guys want to show me your favorite. I can lift up this whole table. No, you can't. I'm too weak. Alright, Deverick, bye. What are they doing? Hey, wizard puppy. Wizard puppy. Wizard puppy. I'm gonna step on. Oh yeah, it's zoomed. Oh my god. Why is it gonna step on her? I stepped on her. You see, she's running. Did I get you? Because he's a he! And she's the she. And then he's the he. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. Okay, my full name is, I guess I have to show you guys, is Everick. Yes, it's, of course, Everick Funtime, Everick. My name is in my channel. True story. And I really found out that it's not Everick Funtime, it's Everick's. Everick's. Why is there multiple Evericks? Give me my question. Why is there multiple Evericks? In my channel, is there one Everick, two Everick, puppy Everick? I don't know, but there's Everick's channel, Everick's Fun Time channel, Everick's. I don't get the thing point of it, right, puppies? You too. Oh yeah, I'm just swinging on this bike too, because I like to. Until I like to smack my doggy's butt. With the tube. Slap. Now your cage is right inside there, right? Wait, I mean, what the? Is that your new cage? Where are you guys going? Puppy! Alright, I'm gonna... Oh yeah, He's a genius! Hello, puppy. She is the wizard puppy. See? If you saw my video about the wizard puppy, then go see it! Puppies. Yeah, there's still puppy. Oh yeah, puppy. 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 You're a puppy. You're a puppy. Look at your ears. And look at that puppy. Hey, come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. You have to. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Go around. Go all the way around. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Are you a genius or not? Hey, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Puppy, come here. Vita, can you go help your brother? Over here. Come over here. Come here. Here, Bobby. Come on. Come on. Vita, go show him. Look, there goes little Feita. You're gonna go show him. There's a little tunnel that they have made. I did not help them make it. They made it themselves. Little puppy. And there she goes to the little tunnel. Puppy, come on, puppy. Wait up, puppy. Come on, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come on. Oh God. Bad, 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 bad. Because you're bad, you're gonna go all the way to the prison. I don't know where the prison is, but he's going all the way over there. Not with Feita. Now he has to walk all the way. Hey! Oh. They can't see us. Jesus! You see in the camera. The paper's right there. And there's him versus paper. Sorry. Little pup.